4 million tons of greenhouse gas reductions, 1 trillion Korean won of economic benefits, 700 jobs added. Gray industrial complexes are transformed to green industrial complexes. The heart of Korea's creative economy, industrial complexes are being reborn into eco-industrial parks. The Metropolitan Regional EIP Project Division assisted in feasibility study of developing Root Industries cluster at the Ansan Sihung Smart Hub Industrial Complex. As a result, plated and PCB cluster named PNP Cluster was built on 7,632 square meters, Kikox-owned property, to enable incineration waste heat recycling and customized wastewater treatment. This allows the PNP cluster to utilize 25,000 tons of waste energy per year as energy for the plating process, which replaced 19,000 megawatt hours of electricity consumption a year. In addition, the PNP cluster reduces wastewater treatment costs by 40% and also reduces 4,965 tons of CO2 emissions every year. The PNP cluster is an innovative model that meets the needs of industries and one of excellent cases of Korea's eco-industrial park program. In the past, the artificial marble manufacturing companies in the Cheongju and Buyong industrial complexes incinerated the entire artificial marble scraps left by manufacturing process. After 12 months of extensive testing, R&D succeeded in recovering MMA, a raw material for acryl resin, and aluminum oxide, which is an industrial fireproof material, from the waste of artificial marbles through a pyrolysis and firing process. However, R&E was only capable of processing 200 out of the 800 tons of waste artificial marbles generated every month due to a shortage of processing capacity and logistics cost. By providing administrative support for R&E to move into the Oksan Industrial Complex, which is only open to manufacturing companies, the Chungbuk Regional EIP Project Division has made it possible to recycle most of the waste artificial marbles generated in the Chungbuk region. ENCO is a company that recycles waste acid from display manufacturing processes into valuable resources. Until recently, ENCO was only able to recycle indium and not copper and zinc from waste acids due to high treatment costs and technical challenges. Therefore, the Gyeongbuk Regional EIP Project Division has collaborated with the Gumi Electronics and Information Technology Research Institute to discuss economically viable ways to recover copper and zinc from waste acid. By applying the vacuum evaporation and concentration technology that maximizes recovery rate, it has become possible to recover copper and zinc. ENCO's competitiveness has become stronger with the Gyeongbuk Regional EIP Project Division. By increasing the yield rate of the urban mining industry and further improving wastewater treatment technologies, eco-industrial parks and ENCO are strengthening the competitive edge of Korea's display industries. Waste aluminum is 100% recyclable and can be processed into raw material. Due to the lack of information, Wonjin Aluminum has disposed of scrap aluminum until now. Therefore, the Chungbuk Regional EIP Project Division provided information on recycling scrap aluminum through various activities such as seminars, workshops, and academic activities. While Wonjin was once dependent on imported aluminum completely, it has replaced 30% with recycled materials, creating an environment for harmonious growth. With Chungbuk Regional EIP Project Division's know-how and experience, Wonjin Aluminum participated in various projects, including SME support projects and the Business Innovation 3.0 project, as part of its continued efforts to increase the recycling rate of aluminum. Due to the higher number of industrial complexes compared to other regions, Ulsan is a region with strong potential in waste heat recovery. After studying the amount of steam generation and cost reductions in the Songam incineration plant located in the Ulsan Mipo National Industrial Complex, the Ulsan Regional EIP Project Division concluded that a steam network would be economically viable and executed the project with Ulsan Metropolitan City. After hosting a briefing on the steam supply project with various corporations, Hyosung was selected as the final contractor. By successfully completing operation of a 1.2-kilometer steam and condensate water pipeline, the Songam Steam Supply Program became the best practice model of utilizing municipal waste as energy. Hyosung also built additional factories to increase the usage of steam, which also created 140 new jobs. In 2012, the Ulsan Regional EIP Project Division successfully completed the Songam Steam Supply Project Stage 2, leading the way to converting Ulsan into an eco-friendly industrial complex and an ecopolis. Eco Industrial Park is becoming the new strength of the region. Eco Industrial Park is becoming a happy workplace for everyone. Korea became united through the resource circulating network. Eco Industrial Parks are driving the creative economy. Eco Industrial Parks promote environmental and economic enhancement towards sustainable industrial parks. Korea Industrial Complex Corporation. Key Cox.